Magnets are fascinating objects with invisible fields of force, known as magnetic fields, emanating from them. Unlike what one might expect with many objects, cutting a magnet in half does not destroy its magnetic properties. When you cut a magnet into two pieces, each piece retains magnetic properties, effectively creating two magnets. This intriguing phenomenon occurs due to the fundamental nature of how magnets work. A magnet has two poles, a north and a south. These poles are the result of the alignment of the magnetic domains inside the magnet. These domains are like tiny magnets themselves, each with a north and a south pole. In a magnet, the domains are aligned in such a way that the north and south poles are distinct at the ends. When you cut the magnet in half, you're essentially dividing the domains. The domains realign themselves in such a way that each new piece still exhibits a north and a south pole. Thus, each half behaves as a smaller magnet with its north and south poles retained. This is a fundamental property of ferromagnetic materials, which include materials like iron, nickel, and cobalt. Interestingly, no matter how many times you cut a magnet, each resulting piece will always have a north and south pole. The strength of each smaller magnet will differ from the original, being weaker due to the reduction in size. This property illustrates the perpetuity of magnetic domains. Magnetism as a property is not dependent on size, but rather the internal arrangement of domains. The process of the domains realigning can sometimes inadvertently weaken the magnetic force slightly. If the cut is not clean or causes structural damage to the alignment within, the magnetic force may weaken. Nevertheless, the basic principle remains intact. A cut magnet will still act as a magnet. This phenomenon continually demonstrates the recurring wonder of physics, showing that even when divided, magnets retain their fundamental properties.